Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome to Introduction of the Okinawa Pavilion. We would like to thank you for your interest and participation today. It's an honor to have all of you here. I would like to extend a very warm welcome to you all. Let's hope everyone enjoys this special occasion. Before we get things started, we would like to invite Okinawa Prefecture's representative, Mr. Kohei China, to give us some opening remarks.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming to today's presentation. My name is Kohei China from Okinawa Prefecture office. Today, I'd like to introduce you to the initiatives of Okinawa Prefecture. Before introducing Okinawa Prefecture's initiatives, let me give you a brief information to Okinawa. Next, as you all probably know, Okinawa is located in the south of Japan. When you think of Okinawa, the first thing that comes to mind is blue seas, blue skies, and resort areas. In fact, I think it is one of the leading resort destinations in Japan and even the world. However, Okinawa has another major feature. Okinawa has the highest percentage of young people in Japan. Okinawa's population is 1.46 million, and 6.3% of the population is under the age of 15. This is number one in Japan. Total exceptional birth rate is 1.8. This is also number one in Japan. Okinawa is a vibrant place. Next, Okinawa is very close to Taiwan. It's an hour and 40 minutes by plane from Taiwan to Naha. Okinawa is also connected to other major cities in Asia. Although Taiwan has more international flights than Okinawa. Let's change the topic. Recently, the expansion of a certain Taiwanese company into Kyushu has been a hot topic in Japan. Its TSMC's expansion into Kumamoto, Kyushu is a hot topic all over Japan. With TSMC's expansion into Kyushu, Taiwan and Kyushu will likely have a closer relationship in the future. But just a moment, between Taiwan and Kyushu, there's Okinawa. Taiwan and Okinawa close, and Okinawa and Kyushu also close. Both 2 hours from Okinawa. Okinawa is the closest part of Japan to Taiwan. We hope that Taiwanese companies will expand Okinawa from a BSP perspective and as a transit base. Let me summarize the main points of this presentation. First, Okinawa has a lot of young talent. Second, Okinawa is located between Taiwan and Kyushu. It's the closest part of Japan to Taiwan. Of course, we think that it is also in terms of feelings. For Okinawa, Taiwan is an area in which we have placed particular emphasis on seminars, business meetings, and exhibitions, and we hope to continue collaborating with Taiwan on many fronts in the future. Now, we would like to move on to today's main topic. Okinawa Prefecture initiatives. In today's presentation, we will focus on 3. Startup ecosystem support program, investment environment in Okinawa, Isotech Okinawa.
Thank you, Mr. Shino, for letting us know about the 3 following presentations that will be coming up. So for the following section, we would like to welcome Mr. Hiroyuki Saito and Ms. Akiko Ishibashi. They will introduce the Startup Ecosystem Project and Okinawa Institute of Science and Technology. Please welcome.
Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm honored to be here with you today. My name is Hiroyuki Saito from Okinawa Startup Ecosystem. In my session, I'd like to introduce you about the Okinawa Startup Ecosystem. Here are the statistics of Okinawa Startup Ecosystem. Due to various incubation programs, we observe a surge of upcoming startups. For example, as you can see in this section, the number of startups is currently over 100. The statistics is like 2022, so now the currently over the 100 startups. And the number is increasing year by year. And our current challenge in Okinawa is to establish local VCs and funds to inject more venture money to those startups, like a seed to early stage startups. We also need to increase the amount of fundraising. Here are some of the startups that are growing rapidly right now in Okinawa. Let me take EF Polymer as an example. The company was founded in India by an Indian entrepreneur named Narayan. And he and his team applied to the OIST Accelerator program in 2021. And now the company is headquartered in Okinawa. The company provides super absorbent polymer to the whole world, especially agriculture, farmers, and so on. This is the overview of the Startup Ecosystem Support Program. As you can see from this slide, we provide comprehensive support from mentoring to the business development support. So if you have any questions and concerns related to startups, startup business in Japan and Okinawa, you can take advantage of this. One-stop support program. This slide says the public startup support program in Okinawa. It has basically started from 2012, based on 4 pillars, which are fund, R&D support, establishment support, and entrepreneur incubation program. Over the past 10 years, there has been steady commitment in various programs, and especially these 5 years, the support has been diversified and become more solid with grants and incubation programs. And Startup Ecosystem Support Program, which goes by Lagoon Okinawa, is now playing main role to nurture community and provide comprehensive support for startups. Here is the startup ecosystem supporters in Okinawa. As you can see in this slide, over 60 companies joined this program and try to create a new business by utilizing startup technology and startup business. And I'll dive into each supportive program. This is the incubation facility. We have a startup support center called Lagoon Naha in Naha area, which is the center of the Okinawa. At this place, we provide comprehensive support from mentoring, networking, acceleration program, to provide the office of consortium, which consists of local big companies, bank, media, and academic institutions. The second is also the incubation facility. The facility name is Ryulabo. The University of Ryukyu and ISCO ISCO have established RuLab, an open space where people, things, and information intersect in a real way to create a system that promotes the creation and growth of startups in which young people can play an active role. RuLab will nurture the idea of those who come to RuLab and support those who take up the challenges of innovation activities. The second is the acceleration program. As you can see in this slide, the acceleration program consists of two parts. The one part is the Okinawa Startup program. That is a collaborative initiative aimed at creating and nurturing innovation and competitive startups in Okinawa. Since 2017, this program has been jointly organized by 8 companies. As you can see, these 8 company logos. It includes the Ryukyu Bank and Okinawa Bank, and also the Okinawa Cellular Telephone, and so on. This program aims to create startups that capitalize on Okinawa's unique cultural, historical, and geographic advantages, and ultimately contribute to the region's sustainable economic development. The second is a cross-tech innovation. That is a business contest that widely invites new services and new services utilizing digital technology across various industries and business sectors. It provides an opportunity to match local companies and major corporations with startups. It also aims to contribute to the revitalization of the local economy by providing support for the execution of business ideas. This program is jointly organized by 5 banks. That banks includes the Hokkaido banks and also the Okinawa Bank. That Okinawa Bank is located in Okinawa. So this program involved the whole Japan, the northeast and to the southeast Japan. The third is the event. This is the Festival of Technology and Art and Music in Koza Startup Arcade from 2022, which aims to create a dynamic ecosystem and a community of challengers from different fields. This event consists of installation, stage performance, and food stall, and conference, and talks by inviting inspiring readers and creators. This year, this event is more focused on startup business. So they are now under application for startup pitch event. If anyone who is interested in this pitch event, please feel free to contact me. I will introduce you to a representative in charge of this event. And this is one of the events in Okinawa that named the Leap Day that started in 2012 as a venue to present the result of Ryukyu Frogs, a talent development program for students in Okinawa. Leap Day has become a comprehensive conference event held in Okinawa Prefecture since 2017. This focuses on the theme of talent development. The conference looks beyond age and position to the future of Japan, recognizing that talent development is a key to envisioning the future 10 or 20 years ahead. The event aims to foster a collaborative society that exceeds age and position. Okay, that is the last slide. As you have seen so far, Okinawa offers a wide range of programs to nurture and strengthen the startups. Okinawa is also an attractive gateway and test marketing area for entering the Japanese market. I hope that all of you here today will establish a branch in Japan, especially in Okinawa, and that your company will be able to explore and seek good opportunities to make your business more larger or bigger in Japan. Thank you very much.
Can I start the presentation? Okay. 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 大家好. Hello everyone. I'm Akiko from Okinawa Institute of Science and Technology. We call it OIST, OIST. Today, I'd like to introduce about the OIST Startup Support Initiatives. As you can see from this photo of a campus, OIST is truly stunning, so you should visit there once. First, let me quickly explain about OIST. We are a relatively new university established in 2011, located in Okinawa, which is really close to Taiwan. And as OIST stands for Okinawa Institute of Science and Technology, we are a university dedicated to science, especially fundamental research, offering an interdisciplinary 5-year PhD program in science. What we mean by interdisciplinary is that we don't have departments or courses restricted to a single discipline. And we operate university in English as the common languages, and 80% of students and 60% of faculties come from outside Japan. This makes OIST truly international and attract high talent from all over the world. Because of all these features, OIST ranked #1 in Japan and #9 in the world for scientific quality by Nature's ranking in 2019, within only 10 years since its establishment. And as we are a university funded by Japanese government and using the Okinawa budget, we are committed to catalyzing technology transfer and industrial innovation in Okinawa. And here is how we are committed to supporting startups at OIST. OIST Innovation, the team I belong to, is the function at OIST which drives commercialization of innovation at OIST. At OIST Innovation, we have several functions. We find and protect inventions and manage their licensing as part of our technology transfer office, a common role in universities. But what makes OIST unique is our dedicated team that supports proof of concept project, entrepreneurship, and ecosystem development. We have established this support system through our about 10-year journey. And as we improve our support, we see an obvious growth in the number of university startups being funded. Our startup support can be mainly divided into 3 categories: funding, facilities, and networking. First, for funding, we have our internal grant for research unit to conduct proof of concept research, aiming to bring the technology to real life. We also have a fellowship program to support researchers with an entrepreneurial spirit to spin out startups with their technology. The company Watasumi is the finalist in the InnoVEX pitch competition. The founder graduated from the fellowship program. We also learn accelerator program, which provide funding 10 million Japanese yen to selected teams. At this program, startups will also get the support I'm going to explain about upcoming slides. We also closely work with Lifetime Ventures, a venture capital firm which manages OIST Lifetime Ventures Fund to invest in world-class entrepreneurs, leveraging OIST research and network in Japan and globally. For facilities, we provide access to lab space, office space, and scientific equipment for OIST startups on campus. Besides that, we have an independent facility focused on startup support, the OIST Innovation Incubator, which is shell lab and office space open to startups, as well as companies wishing to collaborate with OIST. For networking, we provide support utilizing our strong network worldwide in academic and industrial field. We have built a global network of venture capital firms, and we provide pitch opportunities for startups. Also, the Innovation Network at OIST, INNO, is a platform for industry to build relationships with OIST faculty, researchers, and students to access the university cutting-edge research, education, and innovation activities. Through this network, we introduce startups to potential customers or industry partners. On top of that, we provide entrepreneurial courses and a mentorship program in collaboration with seasoned trainers, entrepreneurs, or investors. And today, I'd like to highlight two opportunities for the audience here, how to get OIST startup support and join OIST community. One is that this summer, we will be opening our recruiting for our accelerator program for next year. The selected teams will receive funding, access to space and state-of-the-art equipment on campus, training courses, and introduction to our network for 1 year. The other is that we'll be opening our new incubator building in the coming spring. It will be equipped with co-working spaces, private offices, and lab facilities. We haven't finalized the detail yet, but the rent will be quite reasonable for startups. We welcome startups and also established companies or startup support organizations who wish to collaborate with OIST or grow their business in Okinawa from all over the world. If you are interested, we have a booth today, so please come and talk to our staff wearing these shirts. Thank you. 谢谢.
Thank you. For the next section, let's move on to the introduction of Okinawa Prefecture Investment Environmental Promotion Project. In this section, Mr. Kohei Shina will take us through the project, while Mr. Yoshikazu Tokushige from Knowledge Creation Technology and Mr. Yasuhiro Osaka from Hayato Information will introduce their company. Please welcome.
Hello again. Let me tell you about Okinawa's investment environment. First, I'd like to start by talking about special economic zones. Okinawa has a special economic zone that is not found in any other prefecture in Japan. I will briefly explain the benefits of utilizing special economic zones. In Okinawa special economic zones, income reductions, investment tax credits, and special depreciation are available if certain conditions are met. it is so hard to meet the conditions, but some companies are actually using this incentive. Okinawa has also other advantages. Okinawa is distant from both Taiwan and Kyushu. Therefore, there is the low risk of simultaneous disaster occurrence in the event of a large-scale disaster. Some companies have actually moved their bases of operations to Okinawa, or placed a base for data backup and BCP measures here after large-scale disasters. Next, we would like to introduce an industry support organization fostering the development of Okinawa's economy. This is IT Innovation and Strategy Center Okinawa, abbreviated as ISCO ISCO. ISCO has six main roles, which is startups, development of professionals, business matching, data-driven, proposing strategies, and DX support. Through these roles, we aim to promote problem solving and new value creation in various industries in Okinawa Prefecture. Furthermore, ISCO will lead the various industries in Okinawa by becoming a player in the utilization of data and creating opportunities for innovation. And finally, we would like to introduce an Asian Business Network project, abbreviated as ABN. ABN provides one-stop support for companies, organizations, and entrepreneurs around the world who are aiming to expand or develop business in Okinawa. Our support menu includes providing information about the business environment and special economic zones in Okinawa, introducing specialists regarding procedures or establishing a company, assist in search for business partners, and accompany your visit to facilities in Okinawa. We provide consultation in English, Chinese, and Japanese. Our service is free of charge. Please search for Okinawa Investment Support Center on the internet. So please visit our website and contact us casually by phone or email if you have any needs. When you contact us, please state your business plan, your purpose of establishing business in Okinawa, and an overview of your current business if you own one. We welcome you to Okinawa, and we will do our best to contribute to your success. Thank you for listening. We would like to introduce companies that have expanding into Okinawa.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. I'm Tokushige from Knowledge Creation Technology. And our company headquartered in Tokyo, but Okinawa division are promoting business activity in Okinawa. So I participating in a member of Okinawa Pavilions today in this session. At this event, I introduce our new version powerful solution, Galileo 2.0. It's being ready to launch now. Let me start. Galileo is an analytic data platform. Galileo consists of 3 platforms. First is analytic platform. Second is data platform. Third is visualization platform, like Data Studio. And first, I'd like to briefly introduce our Galileo 2.0 today. First, analytic platform can use three major development environment. Jupyter Notebook, mainly use Python, VS Code Microsoft, and RStudio for our language. Over 100 programming language can available through these major development environments. And it provides multiple pre-configured environments, such as scientific computing, machine learning, and so on, pre-configured. User can use right away. Okay. So next, data platform. Data platform, we are preparing data plane, the open source initiative solution. And we work with multiple company to launch this open source solution. And that will improve dramatically access to data. Next. Last, visualization platform is a dashboard. It enables low code and drag and drop screen development and ability to publish and share the screens with one single click. We are preparing Galileo 2.0 and working to launch in Japan. And next up is the Asian Pacific. We look forward to the opportunity to introduce our solution at the Okinawa booth. Thank you for attention, and we are here. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Osaka from Hayato Information. We provide RFID solution from Okinawa. Actually, our headquarters is located in Tokyo, but our main development base is in Okinawa. We provide practical RFID solutions. By the way, do you use RFID? Many of you have probably know about RFID as a technology, but have never actually used it in your business. Sorry. スライド動かしてなかったですね。So why RFID is not widely used? IC tags are expensive. Reading accuracy is low. The biggest problem is the lack of application, I think. In other words, not knowing how to use it. Therefore, we offer easy-to-use RFID solution for everyone. For example, please take a look at this video. What applications are we using? Yes, it's Microsoft Excel, which everyone uses every day. As you have seen, our solution will automate data entry and updates in Excel. Very simple. We provide RFID solutions not only in the field of enterprise business, but also for SMB, home, consumer, even if for personal use. This is my son. He attached RFID tags to his textbooks and scanned his backpack before going to school. Why? Because it helps prevent him from forgetting things. RFID is very convenient technology that can be used also in the home. Finally, let me introduce the world's first home-use RFID educational toy. Small blocks have embedded RFID tags, and children can play with blocks. The shape of assembled blocks will determine its compatibility. Using blocks embedded with RFID tags, children create various shapes. When they scan the created shapes, a smartphone app displays the compatibilities. So children can have fun building robots, animals, and large dinosaurs, and then compete with them. After playing, they will want to use RFID for various purposes. They want to use RFID for solving common problems in everyday life. In fact, some children have already started developing a system to manage books in their school library. We provide RFID solutions which enrich both work and home life for everyone, from children to grown-up. Yes, let's enjoy RFID together. And please come visit Okinawa. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Shina, Mr. Tokushige, and Mr. Osaka. Lastly, we would like to introduce Razor Tech Expo, which is an IT event in Okinawa. Let us welcome Mr. Hiroyuki Saito.
Okay, hello everyone again. My name is Hiroyuki Saito. So in this section, I would like to introduce Rizotech Expo, and IT and DX exhibition event held once a year in Okinawa, Japan. So first of all, the reason why an IT and DX event is being held in Okinawa is because when centered in Okinawa, it is located in a large market of 2 billion people in Asia, where information, services, people, and companies from Japan and abroad gather. Naha Airport provides optimal domestic and international access with flights to major Asian cities within 4 hours. Okinawa also offers a crowd environment through public-private cooperation, creating a business environment for both Asia and Japan. Okinawa's geography allows for decentralized development and the use of data storage as a risk hedge. And there is a comprehensive support system in place for new business entry by the Okinawan government. Based on these factors, Okinawa is a suitable DX testbed island for IT business and demonstration tests. Rizotech Expo is an event that aims to be an international IT trade show that creates Japan and international business. Rizotech is a unique brand that combines Okinawa's leading resort industry with the the technology industry, aims to create new business and innovation from Okinawa. Also, Rizotech Expo will provide a venue for business matching with domestic and international IT and digital transformation industries for the purpose of promoting this industry. In addition, Okinawa will serve as an international gateway, connecting Asia and Japan and creating new business opportunities that exceed regional boundaries. So Rizotech Expo is the only event in Asia that combines results and technology and is being held with full support of Okinawa Prefecture. By participating in the Rizotech Expo, you can expect to see these 4 benefits in particular. There is a good example from last year regarding the business matching at the top of the list. A matchmaking project for solving their own issues that was held within the Expo allowed the Korean Economic Organization and a company located in Okinawa to get to know each other. It was an opportunity to get a hint of solutions where the regional characteristics are similar, even if they are overseas. So we hope you will seize such opportunities at our event. The second is the event outline and the direction. So I dive into the detail of the event. The following is an overview of the event and the direction. This year's Expo is being held under the theme of Okinawa Connects, Link, Asia and Japan with an eye toward international IT. But we also follow the concepts below the table, which is to improve Okinawa Prefecture's earning power and local development. The number of expected visitors to the event is expected to exceed last year's total of more than 14,000 people who attended the event last year, with a goal of reaching 15,000 people. The event will be held from Thursday, November 14th to Friday, November 15th. And at the same time as a hybrid event, seminars will be streamed online from the beginning to October until the end of November. The venue will be the Okinawa Arena in Okinawa City, which was also the venue for the last year's FIBA, the Basketball World Cup, where it is rich in cutting-edge technology, digital signage in Okinawa. The diagram of the light shows the layout of the main floor. We plan to allow approximately 125 booths for the exhibitors. More information about the exhibition will be explained here, from here. To encourage more startup companies to exhibit or join the event, we have prepared special exhibition plans. For exhibition booths on the main floor, the special plan for startup company is 20,500 Japanese yen per booth space for 4 square meters. It is also possible to exhibit on the second floor concourse with simple specification, but at a more reasonable price. The reasonable means a lower price. This is a great plan for exhibitors with a booth size of 2 or more booths. Detail will be explained at the Okinawa Pavilion booth, so please visit our exhibition. This concludes our introduction to Rizotech Expo. We hope you will join us at this event to taste the Okinawa culture, expand your business in Japan, and make connections. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Saito, for the speech. We would now like to invite all the speakers to the stage to capture this precious moment. That will be all for today. We are pleased to introduce the Okinawa Pavilion to everyone. Thank you for your attention. There are several companies that are in the Okinawa Pavilion that weren't able to fully introduce during this session. So if you would like to know furthermore about the Okinawa Pavilion, feel free to visit the booth just outside of Pi Stage. Its booth number is S0910 and S0914. That will be all, and they will be more than welcome to meeting you at their booth. Thank you.